Just start over. Just keep on going.
Hello, Internet. I come to you today on our Continental Airline.
This might be a legal photo.
In T-minus, hopefully, 30 minutes, we'll be heading to Amsterdam. Dun, dun, dun. We are currently experiencing technical difficulties, but we'll soon be off the ground. Don't you worry. Linda and I will be coming to you, broadcasting from Europe for our very own video blog, better known as a vlog. Our first stop. Oh! I dropped my paperwork. Cut.
I'll take over from here. We will record. Precisely record. We will bring you all the updates from every corner of the world we visit. We will show you the World Wide Web how we're doing in the great land of Amsterdam.
In Europe, we're not just going
Europe.
And